How to enable Ultra Battery Saver mode. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can enable Ultra Battery Saver. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's jump right into it. To enable Ultra Battery Saver, go to your phone's settings. Locate the settings app and then open it up. And after you're there, search for battery option. Then tap on that. After you're there, you'll find an option that says battery saver. Head over there and you can turn this on. After you've turned it on, you might find another option that says ultra power saving mode or something similar. So if you see it, enable that, and turning that on will restrict basic features such as calls and texts for maximum life. Doing this will help you power save by enabling options like limit apps and home screen for maximum effect, and this will help you save your battery for a long period of time during emergencies. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.